welcome to my second video. I hope you enjoyed and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. What's up YouTube? This is the BDo97 and this is a game indenting video. Right now I am in Clipchamp trying to add an intro and outro to my video so I can at least spice it up. I'm having some problems that I want to show you. Now, let's go into the templates and I'll show you what's happening. Once I try using the use templates, after some buffering time, don't worry, this won't take long. I have an Ethernet cord. It should not take that long, but watch this. Now that I go back down, use this so you can see that a little better. I should have had this already done. I'm so sorry, but it won't take that long, I swear. You'll see how far my video, the outro, the intro, is from where I want it. Click. Come on, hurry up. People have time. They can't, and they're spending it watching this video. As you can see, it's over my video where I do not want it. In fact, for some reason, there's two of them. It's like it just makes two every time. I don't want this. Yeah, I can just move my video back. It's picking up. But then, it's still inside the wrong time slot. Because if you left it right back where it was, then it will be like background. Then the background music, the music I want for my intro would have been in front of it, making this like a background like thing. But luckily, it seems that it was inside the time slot I wanted. Wait, where the heck did it go? No, I can't find. It says it. Where did it go? It's somewhere, but I can't see it. I have no idea what just happened. That should not have happened. Okay, then. Since everything is working fine, I'll guess I'll add the outro. To see where that will end up. Okay, I think I know where it is. As you can see, once this changes size, you can find out. So it is now way over the video where I need it. To do this, I cannot just click and drag. Cannot just change location of my video. No, I have to now change the whole location of this. And now, as you can see, it's now upward. So I have to go down, click it, and now physically drag it. I wish that there was a timeline thing, like, you just click on something, there's something that you insert into the timeline box. This will be sent into the closest part of that timeline that it can be. Boom, you're done. But now I have to click, drag, and wait. Clicking, dragging, waiting. Now I don't want you to go through that, so I'm just going to leave it right here. Now stay safe out there. One last thing, it turns out that I cannot even find where it is. I cannot find my video to put it back. It's like gone. Because look, I'm going upwards where it says that it's playing at. And look, nothing. My video's gone. It's transparent. I cannot indent it. I cannot do anything to it right now. I have no idea where it went, but wherever it is, it's still playing. I guess, do I just put it? I don't know. I'll just try to see if I can just move the outro. And hopefully for the best. Have a nice day. Again. Okay, YouTube. I think I finally found a way to solve that little problem. You either A, have to delete it from your media, so it will be deleted from your timeline, in case you don't want that video anymore. If you want to try keeping that video, you'll have to leave this screen and go back to the home menu. Once there, click back on the project and the project should be restored. You should be able to find whatever you were messing with back inside the timeline. This should help your work, well, not help your work, help recover your work, in case so you don't have to go back and re-indent everything. I hope this had helped. I know it helped me. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube, I think I finally found a way to solve that little problem. You either A, have to delete it from your media, so it will be deleted from your timeline, in case you don't want that video anymore. If you want to try keeping that video, you'll have to leave this screen and go back to the home menu. Once there, click back on the project and the project should be restored. You should be able to find whatever you were messing with back inside the timeline. This should help your work, well, not help your work, help recover your work, in case so you don't have to go back and re-indent everything. I hope this had helped. I know it helped me. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.